Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. In this week's video I'm doing another episode where I draw LEGO Ninjago characters in my own style. And before I reveal the character of this week's video, I want to mention that I have a whole playlist with all the Ninjago drawings I already made on this channel, and you can find them in the cards here. And for today I chose the most popular of the ninjas, if I can believe the polls on the internet, and that is Kai, the red ninja, the master of fire. So I'm very excited for this, so let's turn around the camera and let's start drawing. Kai is a current elemental master and ninja of fire, Nia's brother and Rei and Maya's son. He and his younger sister worked as blacksmiths in their father's blacksmith shop all their life, until they met Master Hu. With his guidance, Kai learned Spinjitzu and discovered his other teammates, Cole, Jay and Zane, with whom he embarked on many adventures, battling the likes of the Serpentine and the Stone Army. Okay, the rough sketch is done. I have all the proportions and the pose figured out here. As you will see on the end of the video, I will add a fire effect on his hand, but for now it's time to get a softer lead to finish these lines and to add more details. Alright, now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is... Thinking time. That's right.
Can't you see?
Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys liked my drawing of Kai, and if you did, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you know somebody in your surroundings, a family member or a friend who would like to see these kinds of videos as well, please don't hesitate to share. That wraps up this week's video. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!